Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best 36-inch gas cooktops of 2024. Whether you're a culinary novice or a seasoned chef, these top picks will elevate your cooking experience. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Stick around to find out which cooktop reigns supreme. Number 1. Thermador SGSX365TS. This gas cooktop delivers luxury performance and design. This 36-inch stainless steel cooktop features 5 burners, including a powerful 16,000 BTU center burner that reaches up to 518 degrees Fahrenheit. All burners exceed 450 degrees Fahrenheit, offering impressive heat output for demanding cooking tasks. Thermador's signature star-shaped burner covers ensure better heat distribution to cookware edges, though they create a slight cold spot in the center. While these covers are harder to clean than traditional circular ones, their even heating is a worthy trade-off for many. The XLO simmer feature on the center and left front burners allows precise low-temperature cooking by cycling the flame on and off. For a stylish, high-performance cooktop that combines innovation with reliability, the Thermador gas cooktop is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Wolf SRT366. This is a 6-burner range-top, not a cooktop, requiring a deeper countertop cutout, but delivering a professional, restaurant-inspired look. Its design places the red burner knobs on the front, freeing up space for a 6th burner and making it easy to use large pots on adjacent burners. This range-top excels at maintaining low temperatures, with burners capable of hitting as low as 114 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for simmering sauces or melting chocolate without scorching. However, its maximum heat output is more modest, reaching around 370 degrees Fahrenheit to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling 6 cups of water takes about 6 to 7 minutes, aligning with average gas cooktop performance. For those prioritizing gentle, precise cooking over high heat, the Wolf cooktop offers exceptional low-temperature control in a sleek, functional design. Number 3. GEPGP7036SLSS. It combines sleek stainless steel construction with continuous steel grates, making it ideal for daily cooking. Featuring 5 burners, LED backlit knobs that light up when the corresponding burner is in use, and sealed burners for easy cleaning, it offers both style and convenience. With a dedicated power boil feature and a precision simmer burner, this cooktop provides the flexibility to maintain the perfect temperature for any dish. An optional integrated griddle is also available, which many users appreciate. While some owners have reported the knobs showing wear or melting over time, they are replaceable, ensuring the cooktop's longevity. For everyday cooking with added flexibility, the GE profile is a solid choice. Number 4. KitchenAid KCGD506GSS. It offers a dedicated fan control knob and an electric light system that keeps your flame lit automatically. It features 5 precision burners, including a 5,000 BTU even heat simmer plate and a 17,000 BTU professional burner for fast, high-heat searing. Its integrated downdraft ventilation system eliminates the need for ductwork, though some users have noted that it can be noisy and that burner performance may decrease when in use. With sleek cast-iron grates and 6 stainless steel knobs, the cooktop's design feels both upgraded and functional. For those seeking advanced features and a premium look, this KitchenAid cooktop delivers high performance and style. Number 5. Miele KM3475GSS. This 5-burner gas cooktop excels at high-temperature cooking, outperforming many competitors in heat output. During testing, 2 burners reached nearly 500 degrees Fahrenheit, rivaling some induction cooktops. Its front dual-ring burners boiled 6 cups of water in about 5 minutes, showcasing impressive speed and power. Designed for functionality over luxury, the cooktop features a matte, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish with a minimalist aesthetic. The weighted, intuitively arranged burner control knobs offer a satisfying feel, but are positioned close to the burners, requiring caution during adjustments. While it prioritizes performance over premium looks, this Miele cooktop is ideal for those seeking fast, high-heat cooking capabilities. If speed and power are your priorities, this is a standout choice. So, which is the best? The Thermador SGSX365TS takes the crown for its exceptional performance, fast boiling capabilities, and stylish design. Upgrade your kitchen with this top-tier cooktop and enjoy cooking like a pro.